Hey everybody, this is John with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here with one of my clients, Kristen. We recently replaced her roof by working with her homeowner's insurance to have them pay for the storm damage and got that completely replaced. Kristen, just got a couple questions for you just about your experience with Lifetime Quality Roofing in the process. What has your experience been like with Lifetime?
It was
doing
surprisingly seamless. There was very little I had to do. You guys took care of everything, which was wonderful because we knew we were going to need a new roof, and I was honestly avoiding it. So you guys made it a very pleasant experience.
Awesome. Yeah. What was Lifetime Quality Roofing able to do for you in this instance?
Well, as I said, we knew we needed a new roof after one particularly bad storm. We got some leaking in the ceiling for the first time.
Yeah.
And around that time, you as the inspector came knocking on our door, and honestly, that's not something I'm usually happy with, but it worked out wonderfully. You were very, very kind, weren't pushy, and it was a win-win. We needed your input, and it was late. It was late in the day. I mean, you were losing daylight, but you got up on your ladder and showed us the video of the roof, and you guys took it from there.
I remember that. It was like the last part of the day. I had a little bit of sunlight left.
Yeah.
I said, hey, the roof looks like it needs a little bit of help. Was able to stop by and get that inspection taken care of.
It was perfect.
Yeah. You know about how much money we were able to save you by working with your insurance company?
You guys saved us a lot of money. Yeah, I did not realize that we would be able to get so much of it paid for, almost all of it, by the insurance company. You probably saved us about $12,000. And you did the work with the insurance company for the most part too, so that was very helpful.
Fantastic. Yeah, really happy we were able to work with them and get that fully paid for and replaced. So do you love your new roof?
We do. We really do. It really looks sharp from the street, and of course is there to do what it's going to do, hopefully for the next 20 plus years.
Absolutely. And last question for you, Kristen. Would you recommend Lifetime Quality Roofing to your friends and family after having this experience with us?
I do recommend them to our friends and family. Actually, I already have, so hopefully some of my friends will take advantage of your services too. I really don't think you can go wrong with them.
Fantastic. Well, hey, if you're like Kristen and you haven't had your roof inspected in a while, we've had a lot of storms come through the area, and you'd like a complimentary inspection, reach out to one of our field inspectors and schedule your complimentary inspection to see if your roof might qualify for an inspection, an insurance paid for full replacement. Give us a call today. We'd be happy to help.